What were those? Rockets? No, they're fireworks!
No, they're rocket copters. Introducing rocket copters by Incredible. The super bright light up the night radical helicopters you can launch up to 150 feet. They're insane nighttime fun. Hook it up to the launch band and rocket your copter high into the sky. And watch the light show come alive with the high intensity LED lights that can be seen up to a half a mile away.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Woo! Oh, that was a bomb.
So much fun, dude.
These things are great.
Have a blast competing against your friends in awesome outdoor games. Fly them solo and learn amazing tricks like the boomerang. Even challenge your family members to see who can launch them the highest. Rocket copters feature a premium high-impact shockproof frame, super durable lightweight wings, and a fully charged ultra-bright LED light for hours of fun. Rocket on the beach. Rocket while camping. Rocket your copters anywhere. Rocket copters aren't just for kids. They're fun for all ages.
We love the rocket copter.